you. I finally received the 53 by 33 inch stainless steel concession window, also the 53 by 12 inch stainless steel shelf. The manufacturer's measurements were off for that concession window by 1/4 of an inch, and so the overall framing, just that I currently had, need to be reconfigured. So I have everything here set up behind this tarp. Reason for the tarp is because I'm getting ready to actually cut into the 1/4 of an inch aluminum siding, and I don't want the fragments and everything like that going inside the truck, so that's just there for protective reasons. Coming along this side of the passenger side of the truck, I actually checked and double checked and also triple checked all my measurements. I markered everything off and also taped everything off. The tape again is for that, just another safety precaution here. I just want to make sure that if that saw actually misses or skips, that it's just another way to possibly protect everything here. I'm actually going to get into cutting here. Just another live video here for you guys. This is pretty much like a pretty lengthy video, so I'm going to actually get ready to speed things up, and we'll take it from there. Okay, so everything worked out successful. Everything came out with no problems. Just them corners, and just a little twist, and it's off. Piece of cake, man. That was everything was just clean, concise, just how I envisioned it. Just pulling out the tarp, all those metal shavings, they pretty much got all over the place, so that eyewear was definitely an asset in this regard here. And there you have it. Space. It was a different experience actually seeing this space open for the first time. I'm actually going to come around here and grab that 53 by 33 inch stainless steel concession window. And actually, this is a good view here of how the consumer can actually get a visual of that 39 inch display TV as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that in. And normally, in my perfect world, it would just go straight in with no issues. But being that the manufacturer's measurements were off by 1/4 of an inch, that in addition to one of my sides, I believe it was the left or right side, was off by 1/16 of an inch. I just had to do some additional cutting, just to take a little sliver out here and there, and then from there, everything fit in with no problem. But I did have to make a second pass at this, unfortunately, but ultimately I got it in with no issues. Rough opening being off by 1/16 of an inch, there was some hardware that was on the back of the 53 by 33 inch stainless steel concession window that was preventing it going into the rough opening. I have my work cut out for me while I'm working. I want you guys to enjoy the good life. Kersey signing off.